you can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
You can't taste it unless you undress it. Oh my God, you can't taste it unless you undress it. Show me, man, I don't even like tasting shit, so I don't even want to try to undress that shit, bro.
For me heart hurt me. Me and Buhn do video and the people them not like it. For me heart hurt me. Who not like it. Walk one peeps, so don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of the questions. I watch now, episode 5. I'm already half a tree right now. You get to me and say, and the vibes there because we actually interviewed 3 people already. So watch now, without further ado, I'm not going to itch now. You see me? You say, are you ready? So now run go. So watch now peeps, them are run. So watch now, right now I'm ready. We should have got Buhn. So or so. So? Alright, my G, so the first thing I want you to just give me a name.
One King Melon, you know.
Do it from the Sam.
From the what?
Sam.
What that mean?
Do it from Samarkand.
Yo, it's your boy Sean Serial, the rapper, not a kidnapper. Take your girl on a gyride, she want come hop ya. You know ya. Remember good no man. Real wise, Sean Serial. Outside, no fear, chopping.
Trendy killer.
Trendy killer.
Yeah man.
Sound like an artist, so.
Cool no man, you know we outside on the dirty asphalt. Girl push my cocky in your take it out, so it off. A freaky girl of my type to freaky. Girl do anything at all, just to please me, yeah man.
My name is Andre Tate.
Andre?
Tate.
Raz.
Eh?
Raz.
Raz?
Yeah.
So you think you say Raz in the answer to the
Jamaica.
Them call I man Rasta Bean, you know.
Rasta Bean?
Yeah, Bean Town.
My name is Gangali, man.
Colin, my name is
Colin?
Yeah.
Sanada.
Yeah, you know, snow official when I fall at Jamaica, the snow. When I fall at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you say you're the baddest dancer on the streets, you know?
Baddest, no, one off. You know, when I put myself in at the baddest thing, you know?
Yeah. So let me see what I'm going on.
I guess you have.
Yeah. You see how, when you're ready, you see the man bust 2 bad dance. You see me? So here I want to do. Bust 2 bad like upon the video right now. Because I know see you reach your side of the video and still not click the like button yet. Come on, people, feel me heart hurt me. Me and Buhn do the video, them my own and I like it. Click the like button, I don't know. But we can do that to the video, you see me?
Yeah, man, doing. Yeah, man.
Yo, it got a Potters King, man. You know, it going a father. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man, I lie.
Yeah, man, so watch I give you a piece of the dance, huh? Yeah, my boss.
You can call me dude, man, or evil, man, anything. You hear that? You don't know.
Anything?
No, I don't mean I hear that.
I know it.
Dude or evil, man, any one of them.
I wave even if you don't say hello. What am I?
Yeah, boy, you don't say hello.
No, brother. I know they make up probably something. Wait. None of that, no. No.
I wave even if you don't say hello. What am I?
What am I? I'm an I. Oh, no.
I wave even if you don't say hello. What am I?
A man?
Eh?
A man?
What that?
Man?
I want you to squeeze your blood throat.
I wave, but even if you don't say hello, what am I?
Yeah.
God, man. I wave even if you don't say hello. Girl, I walk past. She not say nothing. I'm a wave to her. I'm a gallus.
No, God!
Yo, me I try mix it in a dog.
Hold on. Flag. Flag.
Flag?
Yeah.
Ocean.
Sign.
I come make a plan for me today, you know, dog. A plan for me, you know.
It's simple, man. It's simple.
A plan for me today, you know.
You see, all the ocean. You hear that? Yeah, man.
I wave even if I don't say hello. What am I?
You see? Oh, that's something on the top.
I wave even if you don't say hello. What am I?
I wave for even if you don't say hello. The wind? The wind? The wind always be blue brain bros, you don't have to say hello. They just greet you with a breeze, you know what I'm saying? Breeze blow past you like, you don't have to say hello. A nigga breath talking, that shit hit you with that shit stink, that shit hit you. I'm like, damn nigga, you have to say hello for that one. You know what I'm saying? The way that nigga mouth stinking shit. Shit. That's a stinking ass breath. You know what I'm saying? You passing, somebody talking, that breath hit you. Damn, that's the more hello you want to hear. Damn, nigga mouth stink. Damn, man.
I have no wings, but I fly. I have no teeth, but I bite. What am I?
A miracle.
But I can't fly.
Yo, that boy said brain you. Tell him say no.
I don't do that. You read the question?
I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
Bullet.
No wing, can't fly. No.
I have no wings, but I can fly.
Can fly.
Yeah, I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
Mosquito.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You have no teeth. You can't bite.
I have no wings, but can fly. What is it?
Man can't fly.
Yeah, but I have teeth.
Yeah.
But I have no teeth,
No teeth.
but I can bite. I have no wing, but I can fly. What am I?
Bird if you have wing for flying. You may know how you can't wing. You have to fly. Know that now.
Wings? Wings like chicken wing when it fried? No.
Let's see that one there now. No teeth but can bite.
Yeah, and no wings, but can fly.
From me have no teeth, you can't bite. From me have no teeth, you can't bite because the teeth you use and bite. So I know I get that one there. So when you say no wings and can't fly? No wings and a fly.
Yeah.
Alright. Without a wing you can't fly, so you have to have wing for your fly. The only thing that don't have a wing will fly is a plane that fly in the sky.
You're sure you don't have a wing?
It's not. It basically, but you have wing different, you know. Remember, wing our bird with bird out.
Leg of the bird.
Where bird goes away.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
Okay. Boom bang.
Hey, so what that?
Yeah, man.
What the answer?
Can. Can. You know what I'm talking about. Come.
Bullet.
I can't figure out that one there.
You say give up.
Yeah, I give up.
You want the answer then?
Yeah.
The bullet, man.
Yeah, I know another one. I want a tough man.
Still no know.
Alright, you say one answer? Yeah. Bullet, man.
Weed. Weed. No, dog. What that?
Think about it, man. I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
You know? I don't know that.
You know that one?
No, brother.
I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no teeth, but I can bite. I have no wing. I don't even know that one, yo. I don't have no wing, but I can bite, but I can fly. A vampire, I don't know. Mosquito got wings, they could bite, I don't know, bro. Y'all be asking me some questions, I can't even answer, man.
Listen again, you know. I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
I got no wing.
But I can fly.
Fly.
I have no teeth, but I can bite.
A baby? A baby?
What the baby can fly?
Baby can't fly. I got a flying fish. You got flying fish in the water? I don't even know.
But I have wing. Here again, you know. I have no wings, right? But
Yeah.
I can fly.
Yeah.
I have no teeth, but I can bite. What am I?
Boy, I get all y'all resting wrong this time. All y'all question is wrong this time, but I don't even know that one, bro. That one lost me.
You say last?
Yeah, that one lost me, man. What will you say?
So I'm gonna get the answer?
Yeah.
No, I'm bullet, man.
Oh, I told man I got the man them way to God. I ain't busting shot, bro. I ain't busting shot, man.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Can't taste it. What that, dog?
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
I don't know. I don't know.
You know, you cannot taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Boy, me no want to say I want a woman and then I'm going to say me a Boaz.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Unless you undress it.
Yes.
I don't know. Lollipop. Lollipop.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Well, I'm not like that one there, Rasta. You can't taste it unless you undress it. Taste it unless you undress it. Well, I'm not like that one there, Rasta.
Unless you undress it, what is it?
No, man, I don't know. You can't talk about it. Can't talk about it.
Lollipop.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What am I?
Go again.
You can't taste it unless you... Mango. You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Carpa, set it back again one more time. Carpa, set it one more time for me. What you say?
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Cow.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Can't taste it unless you undress it.
Yeah.
Banana. Hear that?
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
Banana.
Banana.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
You can't taste it unless you undress it. Oh my God, you can't taste it unless you undress it. Show me, man, I don't even like tasting shit, so I don't even want to try to undress that shit, bro.
Hey peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 5. I don't know how far back in an arbitrary, you don't know it's a vibe. It was a vibe. It was definitely a vibe. Respect in a rasta. Manners are respect, you know? Yeah man, so enough love, enough respect, you see me? Make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Like get to me and say, follow me on Instagram, Jnel_1. And make sure you follow Buntu, BUHN_reaction. Thank you for watching peeps. You're done here, boy Jnel. And I'm out.